have too much stuff.
I agree. Like, why do we even have a giant seashell?
Oh, that was my grandma's. Plus, if you put your ear to it, you can hear the ocean. See?
Oh, yeah, I guess that's kind of cool.
Yeah.
All hands on deck! Storm's approaching fast!
Is this a joke?
Is what a joke?
Nothing.
Man overboard!
The ship is sinking!
Are you all right? You look worried.
No, I'm fine.
If anyone can hear me, save us!
Save us!
Hello?
A voice from the heavens!
No.
It's the devil! Come to claim our souls!
No, I'll help.
The winds have increased tenfold! And they smell like tacos!
I'm drowning!
Do something!
What are you doing?
I don't know. I'm looking for something. I don't know what. Lifesavers.
We're saved! Yay!
Are you sure you're all right?
I am now.
Oh no, they're melting! And the sharks are attracted to the sugar! We're doomed!
Hey, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and click below to subscribe.
And share with your friends, no matter where they are.
And don't forget to stop and appreciate the little things.
Could you pour some M&Ms into the shell? We're hungry.
There you go.
Oh, these are W's. I said pour M&Ms.
Yeah, those are W's, you fool.